Are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Look no further than the Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan. This versatile and durable cast iron skillet is a must-have for any kitchen, offering a wide range of benefits that will revolutionize the way you cook. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unmatched versatility. Whether you're cooking on the stovetop or in the oven indoors or outdoors, this cast iron skillet is up to the task. Its superior heat retention ensures even cooking, allowing you to prepare a variety of meals with precision and perfection. From sizzling steaks to golden pancakes, this skillet can do it all. Pre-seasoned for convenience, say goodbye to the hassle of seasoning your cookware. The Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan comes pre-seasoned so you can start cooking right away. Plus, with its non-stick surface, you'll enjoy effortless food release and easy cleanup every time. Health benefits. Did you know that cooking with cast iron can boost your iron intake? Iron deficiency is a common issue, especially among women, but cooking with a cast iron skillet can increase the iron content of your food by as much as 20%. With the Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan, you can nourish your body while creating delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. Long-lasting durability. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this skillet is built to last. Its durable construction ensures years of reliable performance, making it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. Plus, its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space. Easy to clean. While some cookware can be a hassle to clean, the Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan is a breeze to maintain. Simply hand wash with hot, soapy water after each use and dry immediately. With proper care, this skillet will retain its quality and beauty for years to come. Here's why you need it. 1. Unmatched versatility. Perfect for stovetop, oven, indoor, and outdoor use. 2. Pre-seasoned convenience, ready to use right out of the box. 3. Health benefits. Boosts iron intake for improved nutrition. 4. Long-lasting durability. Built to withstand years of use. 5. Easy to clean. Hassle-free maintenance for busy cooks. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan is a must-have for any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with unmatched versatility, convenience, and health benefits. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.